Skynet is coming to get us.
That's what's up.
Wait, how did you how did you find all these pictures?
I made them.
AI?
AI. Welcome back to this hobby of ours. I am on the run like a son of a gun, still in LA with one of my besties, KSan. What up, KSan?
What up, D?
What are you rocking today?
The Cartier.
Cartier.
Santos.
We are on the run, heading over to see John and Leo at Second Time Around Watch Company. We need to get a link moved on this from one side of the clasp to another. Also need to get a pressure check. Normally I would do some of that for her, but I think maybe the screw is in there with Loctite, so I'm going to take it to the experts. Coming your way, John and Leo.
I want this kind of watch.
Go ahead and flash it up on the screen.
Just to be sure that the time is correct.
So you need two watches.
Yes, in one.
But what we've got on in person is version 3 of the book.
Version 3?
Iterations. I'm iterating because the alignment is not 100%. I had to change some stuff too. So
what is this?
That's to help me. I put that in there to help me align the registration of the photos.
I see.
Keep up, will you? But anywho, wanted to bring this out to show some of my buddies out here, of which you are one. You are in the watch family here.
Thanks.
You in the club.
In the club.
And yeah, so hopefully we'll actually get to see some. I'm recommending her the 36mm Seamaster, known as the mid-size, but often listed on eBay as a boy's watch.
Wait, do you think they're gonna have it at the shop?
They won't at Second Time Around. I've just visited them. They don't have that. Their specialty is vintage, and while this piece is older, it's not traditionally vintage. There's another joint we're gonna go check out to see if they maybe have it, but depending on whether or not I have to feed you today.
Yeah, you know, I am cheap. You can feed me McDonald's.
We had sushi last time. We had poke bowl.
Yeah. So
I usually like to feed my guests as a favor, as for them doing the favor of coming on the channel. I like to buy them lunch as a show.
McDonald's are cheap, dude.
Okay. Get you a Happy Meal. And Big Mac with lobster.
Big Mac bundle, 2 Big Macs, 2 fries.
You gotta take them home for your hubby.
Chicken nuggets.
Mr. KSan, I can't wait to meet you, dude. I don't know how you do it. No, I'm just kidding. KSan's a friend. And yeah, we're just goofing off, having some fun today. One of my last days in La La Land on this trip. Yeah.
But you're on vacation for 2 weeks.
Well, no. I only got one vacation week this trip.
Oh.
Yeah.
Are you headed somewhere after this?
Yeah. No. This is after I drop you off. I'm going to shoot with my buddy G Money. In not LA. Correct. No. In and around the LA basin. I'm in Los Angeles until Monday.
Oh, okay.
But all right. So what are your musings on the book thus far?
I mean, I'm just flipping through. Some of them look really cool.
Yeah.
There's this one that caught my eye.
There's a bunch in there. There's 1,001 in there.
I didn't know that.
You didn't? You didn't read the front page?
You know, I didn't.
Yeah, it's all right.
But
hey, it is a picture book.
There
are some words.
This one I like.
Yeah, you can actually probably have that one. Flash it up on screen so we know which one he was looking at.
This.
Yeah. Never block the face.
Oh, sorry.
Never block my moneymaker.
Sorry.
I kid. But what would you expect to pay for that book? Like if you bought that on the Amazon.
$20.
Oh, get out.
Wait, what are you?
I'm not even calling you a lift. You have to hoof it back.
What are you expecting?
$1 million, not $20. Gosh, it costs more than that to print it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I am trying to find it's a one-off, so I have to either buy in volume.
Yeah, of course.
Or which I got turned on to by the dude at Watchistry, who wrote the book, the Tudor Marine Nationale book. He has a YouTube channel, and did a whole video about how he made his book, which is amazing. I totally need to write that dude and say thank you, because if it wasn't for him, I probably would not have got on my horse and gotten that book done. So
I think there's this Amazon service, because I was looking up
there
side
is
hustles or something.
Yeah, but you know how Amazon they take more than a pound. So you kind of want to self-fund as much as possible, as much as sensible. But this is the first
But you're
one.
gonna warehouse. I mean, you're gonna pay a big chunk
I need to figure that out.
for a small batch.
Do you want to help me with the distribution center? Your kid's old enough to work. How old are they? 4?
2.5, my dude.
4?
2.5.
2 and 4? Oh.
No, 2.5 and 5 months.
Okay.
This is child labor.
I know. Sometimes you need little hands to do assembly of stuff. Look, no, I'm just kidding. We don't advocate for child labor.
No.
But you know, back in the old days, they had kids working in coal mines.
Yeah.
They were providers. What are you gonna do?
Yeah.
No, it's not okay. Anyways, I'll probably cut that part out. Anywho, yeah, I don't know. That's getting the book done, getting the image registration in the format has been the only real hurdle that I'm on iteration 4. Although I did add a bunch of fun stuff into the latest iteration. More on that downstream. But so, are you really thinking about another watch? Possibly? Or are we just joking? Am I just trying to bring you further into the hobby?
But not right now.
Okay.
I'm not going to drop some money on a new watch today.
Why not? Happens all the time. No, I know. But you're open to the possibility that you might need to expand your collection then?
Yes, I am open to that possibility.
Oh, right on. I think the 36 millimeter...
Remember, we talked about having a watch that can be a timer too, because of my controversial time-ins.
The time-ins, I forgot about. How can I forget the time-ins?
No kids.
Hey, I'm working on it. I'm trying. I need to get a date first. The thing is, I don't think you need a chronograph, because that's not going to really go well with mom life. I think you need a diver that is suitably sized, reasonably priced, and you use the bezel to time stuff. And when we get these on hand, on wrist, you'll get a sense of it.
Well, I saw one of my friends, and he was on one of your videos. He was wearing a nice...
Lawrence?
Yeah, okay. I didn't know if I...
Yeah, he opted for a non-cool code name.
I don't know if he had alias. He had a nice watch on. It was was it a diver watch or something?
Potentially.
And it had like a khaki strap.
Did you see it in the video, or did you see him
I saw him
in person? Okay.
In person, and he was wearing it. I was like, oh, that looks nice.
Yeah. He's got great taste. Super cool dude. Check out the videos with him in the Watch Club videos, him and John. And but I think what would be perfect for you is that 36 milli Seamaster, because...
Wait, what size is that?
This is 41.
Oh, okay.
This is a big watch.
That is...
It's actually too big for me. But it's just like a hint. But the 36 is going to be perfect because it's absolute awesome pricing. It is the best price
Wait, what
Omega.
size is this?
That's a weird one. It's technically 33, but because of the integrated lugs, lug to lug, it has bigger wrist presence than you would think for a 33, which is why I could wear it, which is why I did wear it. I own that. Not this one, but a different one. And yeah, so I wanna introduce you to the 36 millimeter Seamaster line, because that's what's next for you.
That would be pretty big, no?
No. It's, trust me, I know.
Oh.
I have a watch channel. You've been on it. I know my business. No, I'm kidding. But I've held them in person. They're way too small for me, which was shocking because a Rolex 36 millimeter fits me great. But the lug-to-lug presence, which is this distance here, oftentimes means more than this distance, the width of the diameter of the watch itself. Let's pause here because we're about to roll in heavy into Second Time Around Watch Company. Be right back. In 2 and 2. Do you remember that game show?
No. I was born in 2000.
Don't say.
Wait, what are we eating?
Forget the food. Nothing. All that matters is getting your watch stuff done.
Okay.